Hi, this is Brian Bachman with MarineMax Clearwater, and today we'll be doing a brief video walkthrough of the 2019 Sea Ray 19 SPX Outboard. This boat has the beautiful blue Sea Ray blue hull sides, with blue bimini top. It does include a trailer, and this boat is powered by a 115 horse Mercury 4-stroke outboard. So let's step aboard and take a look. Looking at the swim platform, you see you can have a pass-through over to the starboard side. We have the water sports tow post. Very nice telescoping boarding ladder. 12-volt charging point on the transom. As we look at the pass-through, we do have storage with the integrated igloo cooler and a very nice unobstructed pass-through into the cockpit. Very spacious sun lounge with storage underneath. As you can see, this boat is configured with the port side lounger, so that is a lounge seating, or the forward cushion does stow under the rear cushion to have a forward facing seat. Captain's chair for the helm. Very nice bench seat across the back with integrated cooler underneath. Ski locker. There we can see the cooler. Very well appointed dash with Fusion stereo, Fusion blue speakers as well, all marine grade. Depth finder. Over to the port side, we do have storage for your bags and items in front of the passenger seat, and plenty of storage under the passenger side helm. And last but not least, a very spacious cockpit, speakers up front, forward or rear facing lounging configuration for very comfortable seating. If you'd like more information about this boat or any others, feel free to give us a call. Again, this is Brian Bachman at MarineMax Clearwater, and I can be reached at 727-536-2628. Thanks, and we'll see you on the water soon.